I turned my bedroom from this to this. It's been a while since I haven't updated you on my home, and our bedroom was the last thing that the Lemon home needed to be done. And we've changed everything from the mirrors, the bed, we literally painted everything white. And there's one thing that I'll show you in a bit that will blow your mind. So let me show you. It's a very minimal space. Let me start off by showing you the frames, the photos that we've added to our room. We added a photo here with Chenia, both of our dogs, Lula and Apple. We got a painting that we bought in the Dominican Republic and a couple photos of Chenia. We like that every single frame is totally different, which adds a little bit of personality to the setup. We've got a smart radiator that we can turn on the heat whenever we want. And we've bought two bed stands which are made out of wood. Something cool about this bed stand is this right here. This opens and you can put a book, you can put your iPad or something that I'll show you in just a bit. Yeah, over here we've got lamps, we've got dry flowers. The lamps are actually smart with HomeKit, so I can turn them on and off whenever I want. We've got a light strip in the back of our bed as well, so we can change the color, the mood, the intensity. We've got a HomePod mini as well to control all of our smart home as well. We've got an Apple Watch dock with an iPhone, and this is our new bed. And under here, we can actually store a bunch of stuff, which is extremely useful. I bought this mirror as well, made out of wood, which I absolutely love as well. The bed stand, dried flowers. This is Chenia's side, and that's my side. We got these smart curtains as well that I can control them via HomeKit or manually as well. There were actually a bunch of TV plugs and plugs over here. We've actually decided to get rid of everything because, as you can see, we don't actually have a TV in our setup because here's where this guy comes in. Now, sure, I wanted to show you my updated room, but this is what I truly wanted to show you because it basically transforms the room to a whole other level. Meet the Nebula Capsule 3 laser.
There's so much to talk about the Capsule 3 laser because I described this projector being so special and so unique in three different things. It's the world's most portable laser projector. For you to get a main idea on how small it is, I mean, just check this out. It's as small as an iPhone. It weighs around 2 pounds and it's so compact that you just want to bring it everywhere, right? If you're going on a trip, if you're going somewhere in particular, it's so small that you can just toss it in your backpack, or if you're traveling, you can literally just start playing movies from your hotel or wherever you go. That's how compact this is. Now, one of the bad things about portable projectors is that, sure, they're small, they're portable, but you know, you still gotta plug. But the Capsule 3 laser has a battery. It pretty much will last you 2.5 hours of battery life, which is the equivalent of a pretty long movie, which makes the concept of portability go to the next level because, once again, toss it in your backpack and watch movies, series, YouTube videos, wherever and whenever you want. You charge it via USB-C and you got a couple ports in the back. Let me show you.
So let me show you a quick hands-on with the projector itself. As you can see, it literally fits in my hand, so extremely portable. You got the lens right here that projects everything in 1080p, and everything that it surrounds it are the actual speakers themselves. Now on the top, you've got a touchscreen, so you can actually change the volume or actually navigate through the menus. This is the OK, left, right, up, and down, going back. So it's literally the remote, but on the top of it, over here, you've got the power off button, and we've got a couple ports in the bottom. You've got an aux port, HDMI, and USB-C. So if you actually want to connect a PlayStation or an Apple TV, you can actually do that right there. And then on the bottom, you've got a tripod mount. So if you want to mount this on a tripod or whatever, you can do that. But that's a quick look on the design itself. You've got the Nebula logo over there. So small.
Now, usually with small and portable projectors, they're really portable, but the bad thing is the quality. How's the brightness? How's the battery life? And the brightness will impress you. The main benefits on using a laser projector is that they're actually 1.8 times faster than standard LED projectors, and they also offer a contrast ratio which is actually 2 times better than standard LED projectors as well. It reaches 300 ANSI Lumens in 1080p, which is crazy for a projector of this size. In terms of the quality of the projected display is pretty great. colors are vivid, there's decent contrast, the blacks are pretty black, the whites are pretty bright. I've been enjoying it a lot lately, pretty much because of the ease of use. Everything is just so intuitive and everything's already built in. For example, I hate projectors that you gotta put it so straight because it doesn't like orient it itself. Then the projector has to focus. My favorite thing about it is that we literally just put it in the bed stand that I showed you in the beginning of the video, and it literally just focuses by itself. Not only that, but it positions the perspective. Check it out.
So as I told you, the perspective can change automatically. So if I just simply want to put it right here in my bed stand, check out the perspective. So you can see it will autofocus all by itself. And boom, just like that, now I can actually, you know, orient it the way that I want, but I didn't touch anything. I literally just placed the projector in a different place and it did all the perspective just like that. And that's the cool thing about it. It does it all by itself.
Now, talking about ease of use, you've actually got Android TV built in. So sure, in the back, you've got an HDMI port that you can hook up a PlayStation 5, you can hook up an Apple TV, but it's already got Android TV built in. And for a projector, you usually just want to watch movies and maybe play a couple games. And Android TV has all of that. And for those of us who are massive Apple fans, obviously, you've also got Apple TV Plus built in to Android TV. So yes, you've got built-in Ted Lasso. I mean, as long as you're subscribed to Apple TV Plus, which you should. Android TV 11 will pretty much give you everything that you need in terms of entertainment. You've got Netflix, you've got Disney Plus, you've got YouTube. And let me tell you, watching YouTube videos on a massive projector screen from my bed, I mean, that's pretty much as good as life gets. I mean, I'm kidding, but it is pretty great. With Android TV 11, you also get two things that are very underrated. One is Google Assistant. So you can pretty much ask Google Assistant, hey, show me the latest season of Ted Lasso on Apple TV Plus. And boom, just in an instant, you've got Ted Lasso on a massive projector. You've got the Google Assistant pretty much built in into the remote. And the projector also works with Chromecast, so you can mirror a movie from your iPhone to the projector or a YouTube video, or you can mirror whatever you want from your iPhone built in to the Nebula. Now, as I told you in the hands-on, what surrounds it are all speakers. And you've got a powerful 8-watt Dolby Digital speaker featuring realistic high-fidelity sound on such a portable projector. So pretty much anywhere you go, you can pretty much just plug and play. I mean, you don't even have to plug and play. You literally just have to take it from the backpack and tap play. I think expensive 4K projectors are great. I think the Capsule 3 laser has kind of made me fall in love with projectors again, because I mean, it's all built in. You don't need to worry about carrying a big projector. I think big projectors are great for like theater setups, but for something that you can just take anywhere you want, that has once again, a built-in battery that lasts you 2.5 hours, it just makes me want to take it on my trips. 120 inches anywhere I want. I mean, come on. You don't even need a remote, for goodness sakes. If you forget your remote, you've got all the buttons here, the volume, the up, down, left, right, the return. So you can literally just bring this. This is all you need with USB-C, which is the same port as on the iPhone. Essential. Total essential.
So there's a couple different ways that you can actually use the projector. For me, for example, I actually have it sitting right on top of my bed, which works as well. Or you can put it, as I showed you before, just in my bed stand. But I mean, I just wanted to show you really quick. Let me go ahead and turn off the lights. Look how awesome this setup is right now. So like, I'm currently in my bed. The volume, if I actually turn it 100%, gets pretty loud, especially for how small it actually gets. It's colorful, it's 1080p, so decent quality for the little size that it is. And yeah, I mean, what do you think? This is me and Chenya's every single day. We have a little date night and we can just chill with the projector. You can watch Encanto and like, what? It's probably like 100 inches right now, 90 inches. Life is good.
Nebula is actually celebrating their 7th anniversary with amazing discounts and amazing drops, including $200 off on the Capsule 3 laser. So links are down below in the description. Nebula, thank you so much for sponsoring this video and for making me fall in love with projectors again. I hope you enjoyed the room tour. I hope you enjoyed this little review slash product overview on the Nebula Capsule 3 laser. Links are down below for the Nebula Capsule 3 laser. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see a tour of my smart home, you can tap this video right here. Or if you want to discover more smart home accessories like this one, you can tap this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.